Good morning, everyone. I'm so glad that y'all are back together and have decided to join this program on a more on a more consistent basis. It's a one-year program, and I know Seraphin is going to go through this, and if you have any questions in regards to the program and the research that we are doing, I know she can discuss that further with you. She's got a pretty full agenda for you today. And I think you're meeting for about 2 hours today, so I think we've jam-packed it, and I think you'll enjoy it. I certainly hope so. Everybody who has gone through this program in the past has always enjoyed it. I've never met a student yet who has not enjoyed it or who has thought it to be more of a job or work or a pain than it actually is. So I want to take just a few minutes just to thank y'all for being here sincerely, and I know how courageous and brave you're being by being here. It's tough to say, I don't like where my life is going, I want to make a change, but yet I don't know how, and I need help. It's always hard for us to offer and take a hand of help. And especially when we're in deep despair or don't think or can't see our way out or feel like we're trapped in our situations. So it's very courageous of y'all to be here today, and I want to thank you for that. I also want to tell you that I know how difficult it is for y'all to be here and to get here, and the transportation and the costs and everything else that you got going on in your life. And yet here you are today, this morning, and here we are asking you to come back month after month after month for at least a year, if not longer. So I want to thank you for making that commitment today, and I'm going to stress to you the importance of continuing that commitment and that sacrifice of continuing to come. And it's not really it's not really for us. It's really so important for you to continue. You are that important. You are so worth the effort. And I just want you to know that you are worth the effort and everything that you have to put into this program. This is a very important program, and I know Seraphin is going to explain it further. And this is going to hopefully change ways and strategies and protocols for helping people who are in the situation that you're in. And we're looking at making this part of an international medical community project after a year or so. So we don't really know where this is going to go. We have great hopes and great aspirations for this work and this research, and you are a part of it. It has never been done before with a subject pool like yourselves. It is extremely important, and it's being looked at by the medical community, and they're kind of like have their eyes open on it, and they're listening to the things that we are doing, because there's many traditional ways to heal a person who's gone through such trauma as yourselves. But what we find is that it doesn't always work. So we are looking in this program to take some innovative, creative approaches to helping y'all get out of your situations, number one. Number two, get yourself financed independently, as well as to start healing yourselves and becoming emotionally well. And in addition to all of that, to be happy and to add some joy to your lives. Because really that's what's most important, is to be happy and joyful in the things that you do in life. And throughout this process, we hope to help you find yourself and who you are and who you want to become. So it's a huge program. It's a pretty integrative approach to helping a person, and we hope you'll enjoy it. I guess the only other thing I want to stress is that the program will not work if you don't put forth the effort. You have to take ownership of yourself. You have to be committed to the choices that you make and to who you want to become. And you have to hold yourself accountable to that path and that journey. I know it sounds awfully deep and very heavy, I guess. and it can be. But I want you to know that we've all been on, not all, but many of us have been on this journey that you are facing right now. And I know you'll get a video. I'm not sure if you've seen it yet, but I know you will see a video of Ronnie, who is our other co-facilitator and researcher. And she's a wonderful young lady who has also survived some horrible things in her life at a very young age, and is now going on to become a medical doctor. And she has really taken this project under her wing and has introduced it to the medical community in her university. So we are hoping to really establish this program as maybe the way to help others like yourselves. So you're part of this really kind of innovative initiative. So it's kind of exciting. We're all excited, Seraphin and I and Ronnie, and we hope you'll be excited too, as much as us. And I guess I could talk on and on and on, but I know you have a short time frame here. And I just wanted to welcome y'all again, and I'll be sending other videos when you meet. I'll also be making some phone calls or maybe some video calls. It's really however Seraphin deems it to be in regards to how she needs me, in what capacity she needs me when she handles these sessions. So have a great day today. Have a great couple of hours with Seraphin. And I can't wait to hear the feedback and to hear what you've all got to say about today's session. And I'm really, really looking forward to it. And be safe. And we'll talk to you real soon. Thanks so much.